Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to change the language on your Epic Games launcher. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your PC and make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the home screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now, from the drop-down at the top where it says Language, click the little drop-down and select a different language that you want to change to from the available language choices. After selecting a language, confirm the change, and this will restart your Epic Games launcher with the selected language. And that is it. You have successfully changed the language setting for your Epic Games account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Epic Games tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.